Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So apparently there's this crazy storm going on outside, so I decided to make some cookies. I want to share with you guys my favorite cookie recipe. They are honestly the best ever. I can probably eat them all in one sitting every day, okay? So they honestly taste like healthy Samoa cookies to me. You guys know, like the Girl Scout Samoa cookies, those are like to die for. But these you can make at home yourself, okay? They're not like super healthy, but it's nice because they do have some good fats in there from almond butter and coconuts and, you know, chocolate chips and all that good stuff, especially, you know, when you just want to have a nice sweet treat. So let's get right into it. So I gotta roll up my sleeves for this. So what we're going to need is 1 cup of almond butter. You can choose creamy or crunchy. You can also choose peanut butter, but obviously it'll have a more peanut butter flavor to it. You're also gonna wanna add 1 cup of coconut flakes. I'm using unsweetened. You do want to use unsweetened so it's not too sweet, the cookies. And these are just flaked coconuts by Bob's Red Mill. We're going to add 1 egg. I'm going to add 1/3 cup. It can be maple syrup, it can be a maple syrup agave blend, or agave by itself. You're gonna want to add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm using Himalayan sea salts. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix this all together. These are so awesome. I cannot wait to eat them. So I'm using a silicone mat here so they come off nicely when they come out. This will make about 15 cookies. Lastly, and the most important part, is some chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet ones, and you're just going to sprinkle them on top. You can also put them in the batter, but I feel like this way you kind of use a little bit less, you know, a little bit healthier. Alright, so now we're going to put them in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. High five. Woo, double high five. I can't wait for these 10 minutes to pass by so I can just take a bite of that cookie. It's so good. It's the little things in life that make you happy. Can you guys guess what's ready? That's my oven letting me know that the cookies are ready. I can't even wait for these to cool down, so I'm just gonna have a bite right here. Is there anything in life that is much better? Nope. Aha. So of course, let them cool down. You guys can put them in Tupperware. That's what I do. And then I just leave them on the counter. They're literally gone in 2 days. But I would think they would be okay for like a week, honestly. But I honestly have to make these all the time. John loves them. My friends love them, even though they're not so healthy people. And they still really like them. They're definitely different. They have a moist kind of texture. They're not crunchy or anything like that. They're on the softer side, but they're so good. If you need to leave out the coconut, of course you can leave it out. If you want to leave out the chocolate chips, you can leave that out as well. But I recommend it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy the cookies. If you guys actually bake them, then let me know how you like them down below. I would love to know. If you get addicted to them though, don't blame me, because you will, okay? I promise you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys like these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you guys can subscribe to my channel for more and come hang out with me on Instagram. I'm always there, super active. I post once daily and I'm just super active on my stories. So if you want to be friends, find me there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.